crypto trailblazers! It's your goat here, the greatest of all time, bringing you the hottest crypto news you can't afford to miss. Today, we've got a market meltdown. Bitcoin just tanked below 80K with over $667 million in liquidations. Trump's dropping a game changer, reversing Biden-era banking rules to let crypto soar, and wait. Solana's revenue just crashed 90%. Is this the end of memecoin mania? Stick around because I'm breaking down what this means for your portfolio, and I've got a challenge that could get you a shout out. Let's dive in. First, I'll reveal why Bitcoin's dip could be your golden buying opportunity or a total trap. Then we'll unpack Trump's big move and how it could 10x your favorite altcoins. And finally, I'll expose the Solana scandal shaking the market and what you need to do to protect your funds. Plus, don't miss our poll and challenge at the end. You'll want to be part of this GOAT community. Let's kick things off with the big one. Bitcoin just dipped below 80K, sliding to $77,416 as of yesterday, its lowest since November 2024. That's a 6.8% drop in a single day, with $667 million in liquidations wiping out leveraged traders. Why the crash? Sources like Cointelegraph point to Trump's latest tariff announcement on Canada, sparking a risk-off sentiment across markets. Investors are spooked about a slowing U.S. economy, and even Trump's pro-crypto moves last week couldn't stop the bleed. But here's where the GOAT steps in with value you won't find anywhere else. Analysts at 10x Research say 70% of this selling came from new investors who bought in the last 3 months. They're panic selling. Meanwhile, more crypto online used Elliott wave theory to map Bitcoin's next moves, warning it could hit new long-term lows if support at 75K breaks. But here's the flip side. Bitcoin's still up 25% since Trump's election in November 2024. Is this a dip to buy or a trap to avoid? My take, watch the 75K level closely. If it holds, this could be your chance to stack sats before a rebound. If it breaks, brace for more pain. What do you think? Will Bitcoin bounce back? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Now don't go anywhere because Trump just dropped a bombshell that could change the game for crypto banking. And trust me, you'll want to hear how this could skyrocket your altcoins. Coming up next. Next up, the GOAT's got some fire news straight from the White House. On March 11th, 2025, President Trump signed an executive order reversing Biden-era anti-crypto banking rules, allowing banks to access the Fed's payment system for crypto transactions. This is huge. Biden's rules, like the choke point policies, locked banks out of crypto, but Trump's move opens the floodgates. According to web reports, this could let banks custody Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more, making crypto mainstream for millions of Americans. But let's dig deeper. Why does this matter for you? First, this could pump altcoins like XRP and Solana, which thrive on faster payments. XRP is already battling to break $3, and we'll talk about that Thursday. Second, it's a signal to Wall Street. Crypto's here to stay. But here's the GOAT's hot take. Don't get too hyped yet. Crypto czar David Sachs said on X that the US holds $17 billion in Bitcoin from seizures, but they're not buying more yet. Some investors are disappointed, and that's why Bitcoin dipped despite the news. My advice? Keep an eye on crypto-friendly banks like Coinbase. They're down 12% this week, but this could be a long-term buy. Want more strategies like this? Smash that subscribe button and join the GOAT community. We're building wealth together. Speaking of Solana, oh boy, you're not going to believe this next story. Their revenue just crashed 90% and meme coins are in free fall. Is this the end of Solana's reign? Stay tuned. I've got the details and a plan to save your portfolio. All right, trailblazers, let's talk Solana, and it's not pretty. Solana's revenue has plummeted 90% as meme coin mania fades, according to X Trends and web reports. Tokens like Trump's official Solana meme coin, Trump, are down 85% from their January peak of $73, now trading at $10.50. Other Solana meme coins like Fartcoin, Bonk, and Dog Whiff Hat, they're down 91%, 83%, and 91% from their all-time highs. What's going on? Analysts point to the fallout from Argentina's Libra token scandal in February, which shook confidence in Solana's ecosystem. Plus, the meme coin hype that drove Solana's growth is dying out as investors chase safer bets. Here's the GOAT's take. Solana's still a top blockchain, fast, cheap, and scalable. But this crash is a wake-up call. If you're holding Solana or its tokens, diversify now. Move some funds into Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are weathering this storm better. And if you're new to crypto, check out our full guide on securing your wallets in 2025 so you don't lose a dime to scams. Solana might rebound, but only if it can rebuild trust. What meme coin do you think caused this crash? Drop your guess in the comments. I'm giving a shout out to the best answer. That's a wrap, trailblazers. What a wild day in crypto. Bitcoin's dip, Trump's banking bombshell, and Solana's crash. Now it's your turn. Vote in our poll. Will Bitcoin rebound to 100K by April? And don't forget our challenge. Guess the meme coin behind Solana's fall in the comments for a shout out in our next video. If you got value from the, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. We're dropping fresh crypto news, strategies, and more all week. This is your GOAT, the greatest of all time, signing off. Let's build that wealth together.